Did you know businesses are losing thousands of dollars every month from missed calls? And most of them have no idea. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this massive problem into a business that makes you money every month. Most local businesses rely on phone calls to get new customers. But what happens when they miss a call? That potential customer goes straight to their competitor. And the craziest part, most businesses don't even track their missed calls, meaning they don't even know how much money they are losing. Imagine running a business, spending money on ads, SEO, doing everything right, but every missed call is a lost sale. How many potential customers never call back after not getting an answer? How many sales slipping through the cracks because no one picked up the phone? And what if I told you you could fix this problem for businesses and get paid every single month? And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. My name is Tumtu Siram, and after 4 years of trying different businesses, I discovered an easy way to make money selling simple automations to businesses. And one of the easiest ways to get paying clients is by selling this particular automation that fixes missed call problems for businesses. Now, if you really want to change your life and start a business that brings recurring revenue month after month, keep on watching, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn missed calls into a $297 to $997 per month business, even if you are a complete beginner. So let's get into it. According to the data, businesses in the US and in across all industries lose a whopping 40% calls every month on average. And most small and medium-sized businesses miss at least 62% of their call every month. That's a massive loss of leads and revenue, and they complain why our business is not scaling. And guess what? Certain industries like home services and insurance has a higher rate of missed calls compared to other businesses, which is the kind of businesses we'll be looking forward to help. Alright, let's do some math here. If a business misses 10 calls per day and each call is worth $100, that's $1,000 per day lost revenue due to missed calls. And if we count it on a monthly basis, the business is losing $30,000 each month due to missed calls. So let's do this in a calculator so that we can have an accurate data. Alright, now here's my screen, and this is a missed call takes back alert return of investment calculator. So you can find this on my website. I'll leave the link to this in the description below. Okay, so let's say the average client value is $100 and I miss around 300 calls per month, and the average close rate is, let's say, 40%. Let's calculate it. So I've added this data conservatively, but still, if we calculate that, businesses with this data are losing around $11,700 per month each month. So this is a massive loss of money only due to missed calls. And as we saw in the data, most businesses don't have any system in place to tackle these lost leads. And this is where you come in and get paid for fixing this. And for this, you don't need to be a tech expert. Businesses are already paying for ads and SEO and marketing services. You just have to convince them how much money they are losing due to missed calls. And you can offer a simple copy and paste automated solution and start charging $297 to $997 per month for this service. Alright, before we move forward, if you're really serious about starting a SaaS business selling simple automations, I have a free course called Quick SaaS Launch, where I'll teach you how to set up, brand, and sell SaaS with GoHighLevel. You won't need tech skills to start selling, you'll just need to follow the system. If you're interested in this business model, get started with this course. I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, now here's how you can solve their problems. By selling either voice AI or missed call text back automation. And you don't have to build this AI solution from scratch. There's a software called GoHighLevel that has these features. You can just white label the platform, rebrand it under your own name, and resell it. I'll show you about this in a while. Now let's talk about what's voice AI and missed call text back, which I'll call MCTB in short from now. So first, voice AI, your high ticket offer. But what is it? It's a voice AI agent that can answer calls, qualify, and even book appointments automatically. Works 24/7, capture leads, and also transfer the calls to managers if the caller asks for it. You can charge around $497 to $997 for this service. I'll show you how to set this up in a while. Now number 2, missed call text back, MCTB, the easy sell. Now here's the thing, I found some businesses reluctant on going all in on AI initially. They want to test its capabilities first, so it becomes a roadblock sometimes. And the workaround, if they're not ready for AI, offer them MCTB as a downsell. Alright, with this automation, when a call is missed, it automatically texts the customers. For example, something like this: hey, we missed your call, how can we help? It keeps the leads engaged and recover the lost sales. It's easy to set up. You just have to turn on settings inside of GoHighLevel. Let me show you. Okay, you just have to go to your sub account, settings, phone numbers, advanced settings, voicemail and missed call text back, and in the SMS settings just enable missed call text back. You can also customize this message and test it and just save it. So that's it. And for this automation you can charge $97 or $297 per month, and you can upsell the voice AI later. Alright, now let's talk about how to set this up. So first of all, you need to go to this website called GoHighLevel. It is a 14-day free trial. I'll leave the link in the description, and you'll get many benefits by signing up using my affiliate links. I'll talk about that later. Okay, after you sign up, you'll be led to this agency dashboard, which is your main dashboard. You go to settings, add your profile, go to company. You can add your company name, email, phone number. Go to white level. You can add your own logo just like it's here. When you first log in, the GoHighLevel logo is there. You can change this by your own logo. Add your own app domain name, link domain name, your privacy policy, terms and conditions, etc., etc. And you can white level this. Then you can go back, go to sub accounts, and add a sub account for your own agency. Don't start by snapshots. Just create a blank sub account, or you can get my snapshot if you want and use it for your agency. Next, go to your sub account, settings, and go to phone numbers. And you need to buy a phone number. You can get a toll-free number, and then you can go to voice AI agents, create an agent, add the agent name, business name, language, choose a voice for your agent. There are hundreds of voices in here. Adjust your time. Next, add your agent goals and your availability, and you're all set. And in the agent goals, go to switch advanced mode, and I've got the prompt for this where the voice AI will sell itself to the caller. So this is how you set up the voice AI, and I'll show you the automation. So here's the automation. So if someone calls the AI, after the call is ended, this workflow is triggered, and they create and update the contact, create an opportunity, add a tag, and send a message to the caller. I'll show you the message here. Did you like how our AI assistant handled your call? It's designed to make sure no lead slips through the cracks. And here's the full automation, and it follows up the caller until the follower is converted. Also, this automation consists the downsell of MCDB on all. So this is how you can set up your voice AI. The next I want you to do is go to sites, go to QR codes. So just create a QR code. Okay, when someone scans this QR code, it will lead to the phone number and ask them to call you. So you can use this in your promotions and all. And the next thing after they call, the automation that I showed you gets triggered. And you can also create a landing page inside of GoHighLevel where you'll explain how the voice AI and MCDB works. And you can add the QR code and the phone number in there too. Now let's go a little bit deeper on how to sell this thing. But before that, once again, here's an offer for you. If you want to get started with this business model right away and want personal help setting this thing up, here's the thing. There's a big bonus for anyone that signs up with GoHighLevel using my affiliate link. The link will be in the description. So here's what you are getting. One-on-one setup. Yes, I will sit with you on Zoom and will help set your account with you. And next, one-on-one strategy session with you. I'll help you find your niche, help you create your offer if you want to sell some other features instead of voice AI and MCDB. And you'll also be getting exclusive GoHighLevel snapshots, templates, and all those things. And finally, lifetime access to my community, which contains courses and support from me and other members. And the community actually costs $47 per month for now, but it will be free for my affiliates. And of course, the price will be raised after I add more resources to the community. And all of this you'll be getting for free. And again, link will be in the description. Go check it out later after this video. Okay, now how to start selling this thing. Number one, start promoting your solutions on social media, using videos and images on social media, asking people to try for voice AI for themselves. Remember to add the QR code on your promotions, on your videos and posts, everywhere you can, and also your phone number. Number two, find businesses on Yelp, Yellow Pages, Google, Facebook, any social media platforms where you can find them, and start outreaching. Number 3, make connections, talk to businesses in your locality, and you can also do call outreach via emails, phone calls, cold callings, and all that. And as I said, charge $297 to $497 to $997 for your services and your solutions. And one more thing I'd like to add here on the outreach part. Many people get started in the wrong way. So for the start, find out what your strength lies in. For example, if you're good at cold calling, if you're good at email writing, or if you're good at social media, making connections and all, find one thing that you like, that you're strong at, where your strength lies, and go all in on it. And then you can try different outreach methods later. And once again, if you're logged in and really interested in getting started with this business model, you get all my help and resources for free. You don't need to worry. You don't need to start confused and all alone. As I said earlier, I'll guide you all the way. Your account setup, your automation setup, your niche discovery, and I'll also guide you to strategize your marketing and outreach. And finally, if you like the video, please do like and subscribe for more videos like this. And watch the next video to learn more about how to start a SaaS with GoHighLevel step by step.